Oh, hello, welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we are making Meet Me on the Way cabbage stew. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Love you all. Yeah, here I have my spices. You can use any spices of your choice. I have onions, fennel seeds, ginger. Yes, so this is my chicken gizzard. Yes, wash beautifully and cut into bite size. Now you put your pan on the stove. Any oil of your choice. Here I'm using coconut oil. Now you can see that my chicken gizzard is ready. So I'm frying it a little bit. Then I added my onion to it. Okay. The aroma, oh my. Now you add your carrots. I'm using this cabbage. Yeah, so it's nicely chopped. I added my spices, so any spices of your choice. It looks good, right? I'm adding my salt. Yummy. Yes, so here come my stew. Yes. Yes, meet me on the way. Yes, you see that? Now you see how the stew looks beautiful and yummy. It tastes good too. To the tomato stew. You will eat very soon. Oh my, look at that. So beautiful. Oh, you add your peppers. Yes. On your fair, our share. It's banpani. Hey, for ɛyɛ fɛ ankasa aduane ɛdɔ kɔn sɛ ɛyɛ akɔnnɔ look. Oh, this is coming to you from Ahobrasia Kitchen. Yes, that was so quick and easy, but the food is ready. Good. Yeah, so now this is my yam, my purple yam. That's brobe. Food in and